Shanghai April Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited, who owns the credit qualification of 3A, locates in Shanghai, the dragon-head position of China's Zhangjiang River Delta area, where traffic is convenient and easy. The company concentrates on the research and development of large-size industry fans and energy-saving environmental fans with its accumulated experiences in the field. We have now launched a series of new large-size industry ceiling fans, energy-saving and environmental protection fan products, including AWF 8600, AWF 8000, AWF 7300, AWF 6600, AWF 6100, AWF 5500, AWF 4900, AWF 4000 large-size industry fans. The newly developed industrial fans of 8.6 meter is specially designed for the export market. Since its launching, this model is adored by our customers and so popular that our IP series wind fan without power air ventilator shared a good reputation in the industry. Our serial products are now ideal air ventilator products matched with lighter steel structure roofing construction. In the lighter steel structure building, steel I-beams are popularly used. Put the hanging fastener to the both sides of the I-beam and fasten it with the high-strength bolts. After it is fixed, insert the square hanging tube with hanging fastener. Put the high-strength bolts into the relative holes and lock them. Fasten the triangle-shaped hanger of the fan and lock the high-strength bolts. Install the motor base of the fan, raise the base, and align the fixed holes of the hanger. Pull in 3 screws and tighten the nuts. After the motor base is fixed, use the steel wire rope to fix the motor base, making sure that the motor is vertically hanged. Open the junction box, connect the 3 power wires, 3-phase 4 wires of 380 V with UVW terminal. The earth wire should be connected to the earth wire terminal. Remove the vent to drag on the yellow plastic cover of the oil hole. Install the cover on both sides of the motor base and fasten it. Insert the blade of the ceiling fan and align with the relative mounting holes. Join the safety connector blade supporter, pull in the bolts and screw them tightly. Attach the green pair at the end of the blade and use the provided screws to fix them tightly. Introduce the electric wires from the motor and connect them into the fan control box. Insert them into the waterproof plastic connection holes on the left side at the top of the control box. The wires should be connected to the relative UVW of connecting post. Wires of the main power should be connected to the connecting post of the switch power, and the earth wire should be connected to the earth wire connecting post. After the installment, switch on the fan and test the running condition of the fan. If necessary, adjust any of the 2 wires on UVW of the connecting post and fix them again. IPO products have already been recognized in the projects conducted by Sanshi Taiwan Steel Consortium, Shanghai Pudong International Airport, Shanghai Longwei Auto Plant, 2010 Shanghai Expo, Shanghai Xiaohu Mechanical, Shanghai GKN Drive Shaft Company Limited, Hailiang Group, Nanjing Itai Company, Jiangxi Corp Group, Wuhan Steel, Tainan Plant, Beijing Corpco Food Company Limited, Ansan Pasco Refractory Material Company Limited, Shijiazhuang Zhongxin Mechanical Company Limited, Xi'an Lianxin Science and Technology Company Limited, Baolong Car Accessory Company Limited, Qingdao Double Star Tire Company Limited, Tianjin Jinpeng Company Limited, etc. IPO Koji products also enjoy a good market in South America, South Africa, Kenya, Egypt, Malaysia, Philippines, Bangladesh, Australia, Russia, etc. The main products of IPO Koji also include large-size industrial ceiling fans, large-size energy-saving fans, fluorocarbon iron alloy ventilator, fan jet, roof cooling fan, energy-saving roof square vacuum blower, energy-saving air cooler, fan without power, solar ventilator, etc. We welcome customers at home and abroad to visit us.